Hi everyone, the discrepant event I chose to do is on sound, and I had actually originally done this with my second graders because this 9 weeks in science we're studying sound, but I forgot to record it, so I'm going to be doing this experiment by myself. What you'll need is, right here I have a drinking glass, and it's very important that this is a glass drinking glass, and it has a thin smooth rim. I also have a little bit of vinegar. I have a container to pour the vinegar in and a pitcher full of water. So what you first do is you take a little bit of vinegar, you pour it in your container. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to dip my finger a little bit in the vinegar, and I'm going to go around the rim of the cup very slowly. It's important to wash your hands before you do it. If you can hear that sound is actually being caused by, we're learning about sound like I told you, and the sound is, we've learned that sound is caused by vibrating objects. So what our finger is actually doing is it's not just going around, it's actually making small, like, little segment movements, and that causes the vibration, which is the sound that you hear. Now the next step in doing this is you're going to add a little bit of water, and we're going to listen for how the pitch changes. And that's another thing we learned. Pitch is the intonation, how high or how low a sound is. Now remember that sound because I'm adding a little bit more water. Okay, remember that sound. Here's some more water. I don't know if y'all can hear that one, but that this pitch on this last one is a lot lower. So what we learned with it, the kids actually did, this was my demonstration for the kids before we got into doing our own experiments. I had them in centers. What the kids did is they had a set of 4 glasses, and they had one that was filled with a little bit, one that was filled with about a quarter of the way, one was about 3/4, and one was like all the way to the brim. And they tapped on the glass with their pencils, and what they learned is that the less the air column, so the more the water and the less the air column, the lower the pitch. So that's why we're seeing when it has the water is pretty much full, the pitch is very low, but when we started off the pitch was high. So that was my experiment, my discrepant event, and I hope you liked it.